Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Then tap on High Refresh Rate and click on the gray sweater next to it to activate it. As you can see, high refresh rate is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!